From drug discovery to biomedical development, Southwest Research Institute provides advanced pharmaceutical and bioengineering services with a multidisciplinary mindset.
Southwest Research Institute, values people, integrity, stewardship, and innovation. And it's the innovation part that really, I guess, strikes home with me. We've got a constructive workplace. It's like a university of applied science, and that's, I think, the magic of Southwest Research Institute.
As a nonprofit, we serve government and industry clients of all sizes with a tailored approach to R&D. Our expert staff can help validate ideas from the initial concept phase through the design, development, and approvals process in 28,000 square feet of FDA-inspected labs and clean rooms. Construction of a new facility slated for completion in the fall of 2026 will nearly double our capacity, providing advanced facilities for supporting clinical trials.
We have the appropriate systems in place and we follow all the FDA regulations. One thing that I have to emphasize is the fact that we have had a very successful inspection history with the FDA and with the DEA. Really holds a lot of weight with our clients.
Tapping into our expertise and extensive lab space, clients can improve existing formulations and create innovative new products.
We've been instrumental in looking at things like cancer research for CAR T-cell therapy, as well as can we make production of cells and cell-derived biologics point-of-care type therapeutics and therapeutic development that will help push not only the industry forward, but medicine as a whole.
SwRI provides advanced modeling, characterization, and scale-up for clinical studies.
Our work in micro and nanoencapsulation is applicable to products in pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals, cosmetics, consumer products, agricultural products, paints and coatings, and industrial applications. So everything from the drugs that you take, to the eggs that are on your table, to the fragrances that are in your deodorant.
SwRI's drug development software Rhodium accelerates drug discovery by rapidly scanning myriad drug compounds to identify the best candidates for development. The tool identified potential treatments for COVID-19 during the pandemic.
Now it's turned into a host-targeted defense that's for broad-spectrum coronavirus families. And now we're hoping to actually extend that same host-target defense into other viral families. So there's so much more besides COVID-19 that we want to get ahead of before it becomes a problem for the public.
Founded in 1947, the Institute addresses 21st century challenges by harnessing science and technology for the betterment of humanity.